Let's kick off our list with some exciting advancements in urban commuting. According to the ACE VTOL team, the future could see dramatic changes with their introduction of two innovative concepts, SLIPSTREAM Elite and TRINITY. SLIPSTREAM Elite is a two-seat electric vehicle with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, remote control AI algorithms, and 4 plasma engines. Ambitious, right? The second concept, TRINITY, is even more impressive. It functions like an electric car that can also take off and land vertically, accommodates up to 7 passengers, and boasts a cruising speed of 354 kilometers per hour with a range of about 2,200 kilometers. These numbers are impressive, but whether these concepts will become reality remains to be seen. If you're a fan of both cycling and water, you'll love the next vehicle on our list. Meet the amazing water bike, developed by specialists from California-based company, SCHILLER. This vehicle operates much like a standard bicycle. You sit on it, start pedaling to move forward, and use the handlebars to steer. The key difference is that, instead of wheels, it uses 2 propellers. It's actually easier to ride than a regular bike, because you don't need to maintain your balance. The bike is equipped with pontoons that keep it steady. Despite its seemingly fragile frame, it is quite strong and can support up to 136 kilograms. The bike can be put together in less than 10 minutes because to its modular construction, and its top speed is 18 kilometers per hour. Stop. Hammer time. This amphibious vehicle, based on the Humvee military vehicle, also known as the Hummer, bursts into our selection. Meet the H-1 Panther, an engineering marvel and the most versatile vehicle you could imagine. Experts rave about its capabilities: 70 miles per hour on the highway, 40 miles per hour on the water, and a powerful 395 horsepower Chevrolet LS3 engine. It features all-wheel drive, an automatic transmission that shifts between water and land modes in less than 20 seconds, and a 10-inch ground clearance. Producing these cars is quite complex. Experts disassemble the original Humvee and remake it almost entirely from scratch, taking about 2,000 man-hours per vehicle. This complexity explains its hefty price tag of $465,000. The Frontier Oiler isn't just a toy gimmick. It's a fully-fledged electric car. Weighing only 70 kilograms, it can travel up to 70 kilometers, reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, and comfortably seat 2 people. Interestingly, you can charge the battery by pedaling, and you can ride this technological marvel without a license, even on bicycle paths. It's not just about the ride. The Oiler features multimedia capabilities, adding music to your journey. Plus, its autonomous parking system will be highly useful at your destination. Best of all, the estimated price is well under $10,000. MCMURTRY's SPÉIRLING. This electric car has already made its mark on several racetracks, even setting new records by outperforming the Volkswagen ID, or with its 680 horsepower engine. Introducing the English single-seat electric car, a testament to the saying good things come in small packages. It weighs less than 2,204 pounds and boasts a carbon fiber monocoque with integrated lithium-ion cells, allowing for an hour of runtime per charge. With rear-wheel drive, twin engines, and an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 1.5 seconds, it's a powerhouse. Its standout feature is the active ground effect system, which pumps air out from underneath, making the car cling to the track. Appropriately, its name translates from Irish to thunderstorm. There are 3 models available. The Urban Econo, which has a 500-watt brushless motor and speeds of 16 to 24 kilometers per hour. The Urban Sport, with a 750-watt motor, more efficient brakes, and a top speed of 24 kilometers per hour. And the Urban Assault, the most remarkable model, featuring a 1,000-watt engine and a maximum speed of just over 38 kilometers per hour. You can either rely solely on the motor's power or use it to ride faster with less effort. You're going to appreciate the Cycle QMX if you're searching for something more exciting. This vehicle, created by experts in Florida, blends the finest aspects of an electric scooter and a bicycle. It is essentially a BMX bike with 4 wheels and an electric propulsion. Its big 20-inch tires, both front and rear suspension, provide excellent cross-country capability and comfort when riding. Sand, snow, grass, and a variety of other surfaces may be handled by the Cycle QMX, and it can even go over small obstacles. The MANSORY team is renowned for enhancing luxury cars like the Bugatti Veyron, believing that custom tuning will always captivate enthusiasts, no matter how advanced technology becomes. Recently, they unveiled an exciting concept, a flying hypercar inspired by iconic vehicles such as the Ferrari F50 and Pagani Huayra. This vehicle features abundant carbon fiber and advanced aerodynamic design. While impressive technologies like autopilot, remote control, and smart navigation are included, there's a unique thrill in manually controlling such a masterpiece that technology simply can't replicate. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The official Rolls-Royce website describes their creation as a hand-built masterpiece, and they're being modest. This car's body is crafted from scratch based on an individual project, with the entire series, called Boat Tail, consisting of only 3 vehicles, each featuring unique interior trim. It's no surprise that building this particular Rolls-Royce took 4 years. The convertible stretches 19.4 feet long and boasts a 571 horsepower V12 engine. The back section is designed for picnics, offering luxury comparable to a high-end restaurant, complete with a fridge that chills champagne to a perfect 43 degrees Fahrenheit. There's also a sunshade and tables, all controlled by 5 electronic units. The lucky owners are a married couple with an extensive Rolls-Royce collection, so it's in good hands. The price tag? Between $25 and $28 million. The idea of rising into the air using only the energy produced by your feet has long been a dream for many. In 1980, the American Helicopter Society decided to challenge talented engineers to make this dream a reality, offering a substantial prize to motivate teams to create a human-powered helicopter. The goal was a pedal-powered helicopter, capable of flying for at least 60 seconds and reaching an altitude of 3 meters. However, this proved to be no easy task, taking engineers more than 30 years to create a working model. Finally, students at the University of Maryland achieved this feat. The vehicle they built is remarkably light for its size, weighing only 36 kilos, and is made primarily of carbon fiber tubes, styrofoam, and glue. Despite their success, don't expect to see this helicopter in the air regularly, as it requires a lot of effort, pedaling with both your legs and hands. A ride on the Icon yacht feels like flying. Passengers glide above the water, enjoying comfort even at speeds of 61 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine a more luxurious way to travel from point A to point B? The creators of the Ion certainly don't think so. In fact, 2-time Oscar winner Hans Zimmer worked on the yacht sound systems, adding an extra touch of luxury. The controls are unmatched, featuring an impressive 32-inch touchscreen display and voice control. Plus, the interior and other features can be customized to your liking. With 2 100 kilowatts electric motors, speed enthusiasts won't be disappointed. The NIKOLA NZT electric buggy is next up, and though it shares a name with the pills from the movie Limitless, it offers its own set of limitless possibilities. NZT stands for Net Zero Toll, and this buggy comes from the Nikola Corporation, named after the renowned scientist Nikola Tesla, similar to Elon Musk's Tesla. It boasts 4 electric motors with a combined 590 horsepower and a range of up to 150 miles on a single charge. With a 12-inch ground clearance, it's perfect for off-road adventures. The standard model includes a 13-inch display and a Rockford Fosgate sound system for an enhanced driving experience. With a price tag around $80,000, one might wonder if Elon Musk has something to worry about. The next invention we'll highlight is an attraction you can visit in Rotorua, New Zealand. Unlike anything else in the world, it's a high-speed, human-powered monorail car. The rider generates energy by pedaling, which powers the pod. You can choose to ride slowly and enjoy the stunning views, or go as fast as you can to race your friends. Called the SWHEEB, it's perfect for people of all ages and requires no special physical preparation. Zero CO2 emissions thanks to an electric propulsion system, a carbon fiber design, built for recycling and smart hydrofoils with an onboard computer that adjusts their angle of attack. These are just a few features of the FUTUR-E. This innovative prototype, which underwent water testing last year, has wings that can be swapped out as quickly as wheels in an F1 pit stop. With 85 kilowatts of power, it can reach speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, though it only has 4 seats. Moments like these make you envy those who will get to experience it. Traffic is a problem not just for drivers, but for entire countries. Don't believe us? According to 2018 statistics, each driver in Germany spent over 120 hours in traffic jams, costing the country about 5 billion euros. One solution to escape traffic jams is these three-wheelers. They blend the familiar comforts of a car with the maneuverability of a motorcycle. Currently, manufacturers offer a range of 62 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 50 miles per hour. The vehicle can hold 2 passengers and their luggage, with a maximum combined load of 1,100 pounds. There's also a single-seat cargo version with the same load capacity but a more convenient cargo compartment. These vehicles are made in the Netherlands and are priced around $11,000. If you think human-powered transport is only for leisurely rides and can't achieve high speeds, think again. You're looking at a record holder, a bicycle that reached nearly 145 kilometers per hour. According to engineers from AeroVelo, this is just the beginning. They plan to set even more spectacular records. At first glance, it doesn't look like a typical bike at all, but its bullet shape is designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, slicing through the airflow with minimal wind resistance. Made from composite materials, the vehicle is lightweight to ensure nothing hinders its acceleration. Inside, a smart onboard computer assists the rider, indicating the optimal moments to exert maximum effort. Let's take a ride in a car with a complicated story. The Lightyear Zero successfully reached serial production, but 3 months later, production was halted. One reason was its expensive assembly, which led to a price tag of $272,000. Afterward, the team shifted their focus to the Lightyear 2, aiming for a simpler and more affordable model. But what made the Lightyear Zero so interesting and expensive? It had solar panels integrated into the body, providing an extra 44 miles of range per day in good weather. The full battery range was 388 miles, with an engine producing 177 horsepower and a top speed of 100 miles per hour. According to reports, the Lightyear 2 will enter production in 2025 with a price reduction to $43,500. A full presentation is expected this summer. Introducing the JETSON 1, your personal air transportation. While other companies design flying cars that resemble regular automobiles, the creators of the JETSON 1 have taken a different approach, offering a vehicle more akin to a large drone, and it's proving successful. Demand is so high that all vehicles planned for production this year and next have already sold out, despite the $128,000 price tag. It's not surprising, though. In the United States, you can fly the JETSON 1 without a pilot's license, and it can reach speeds of about 102 kilometers per hour. The battery lasts for only 20 minutes, but each flight promises an exhilarating experience that will leave you with plenty to talk about for weeks. World-famous companies have their surprises too. At the 2005 North American International Auto Show, Jeep unveiled the Jeep Hurricane, and its description might sound like a joke. 2 independent V8 Hemi engines combining for 670 horsepower, the ability to turn all wheels independently, and no doors or roof, just 2 seats. This engineering marvel can move sideways and even turn on the spot. However, getting in isn't simple, with no doors and a ground clearance of 14.3 inches. Despite these quirks, its performance specs are impressive, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. The Hurricane garnered many awards and press attention, but unfortunately, it remains a concept. It's a pity it would make for an exciting car to park. The last vehicle we want to show you today is perfect for loud parties that don't stop, even on the move. As the name suggests, This is a pub on wheels that can go literally anywhere. The idea originated about 10 years ago when the first party bike appeared on the streets of Minneapolis. The public reaction was incredibly positive, and the concept grew into a full-fledged franchise. Today, there are over 200 party bikes bringing joy to people in more than 40 cities. The pedal pub is a popular choice for bachelor and bachelorette parties, birthdays, and tourist trips. Despite its open construction, the fun doesn't stop even in winter, thanks to heated seats, a fireplace, and the need to collectively pedal, which helps everyone stay warm.